Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can solve a suspended Google Business Profile. Let's get started. A suspended Google Business Profile can mean lost visibility, fewer customers, and a direct hit to your revenue. Here's how you can get it reinstated quickly. First of all, start by identifying the reason for suspension. Google may act if you are using a PO box or virtual address, adding unnecessary keyword to your business name, listing the wrong category, or if your information does not match the legal document. After that, you can go ahead and simply correct it immediately. Your profile should reflect your official business name, an eligible physical location or services area, and an accurate category that matches your operations. Next, you can go ahead and simply gather evidence that proves your business is legitimate. This could be your government-issued business license, tax certificate, utility bill, or clear photographs of your storefront and signage. If you operate on-site, include branded vehicle or equipment. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply visit the official page of Google Business Profile, Reinstatement Form, and then scroll below, then tap on Submit and Appeal. You can go ahead and simply fill out your details precisely, upload your supporting document, and submit. Google's review typically takes 3 to 7 business days, so wait for it. By fixing the root cause and providing verifiable proof, you can restore your profile and your place on Google Maps. So, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.